Oh, hey there. Almost didn't notice you. I'm sorry, I was just checking out my amazing gadgets. Speaking of, this is what should I call it? Title? I don't know. Well, basically, it's for this new series I'm starting on this channel. It's going to be called Amazing Gadgets because there's not already a series named this from other channels, and it is quite popular in search volume, so I would really hope this would be successful. The premise of this would be I choose 3 tech gadgets that I think are really cool, and then I can just show it off to you guys once every month maybe, or depending on how the series does, I might make it in shorter intervals or longer. It all really depends. But yeah, let's just get straight to the video then. Well, this is how I usually start my videos. Hey guys! So the first thing that I will be showing you guys is this, the Google Nest Mini. I chose this as...
I didn't understand.
Idiot. I chose this as the first thing to show off in this series because first, I think it's really quite cool. Everything it does is extraordinary, of course, aside from what just happened there. And since this series is quite important to me, I think the first tech that I will be showing off ever in this Amazing Gadgets series should be something I really value, and it is really this Google Nest Mini. I think this really worth what it's costing, first of all, because of everything it does, and also, I got this for free. I was a YouTube Premium subscriber for a while, actually, and one day I just got an email saying, hey, would you like a free Google Nest Mini? And of course, I couldn't turn that down, so I said, yeah, of course, definitely. And surely enough, it was free shipping and all that. It shipped really quickly, took around 3 days, 4 days, and I got this product. I made a video on it. It's called the overly professional unboxing of the Google Nest Mini. You guys should really watch that video because I did edit quite a lot. It's overly professional. That's what it is. Now, first, I'm going to give a really quick overview of this. It's basically just a smart speaker. You guys know what a smart speaker is and what it does. It's like the Google Home Mini, but the 2nd generation. Or the Alexa speakers. Crap, I'm really sorry. I might have activated your Amazon Echoes. Now, it sounds much better than the Google Home Mini, first of all, and I'm pretty sure it's faster with better chips inside it. But don't quote me on that. It works with iOS, Android, just anything you can think of. For example, when I do my math homework, I usually use my Google Nest Minis to really tell me the answers for basically everything. It's like a calculator. Here, watch this. What's the square root of 497?
Square root of 497 is 22.293.
And also, you can pair up 2 or more Google Nest Minis or Home Minis, if that's what you have, together to make stereo sound. I don't know if you can see this, but this speaker right here and this one are actually both paired together. So when I listen to music with YouTube Premium, you have YouTube Music included for free. So these 2 products, they pair up together and they can play music from YouTube Music and everything just in sync, and it sounds pretty awesome, to be honest, despite how small they are. Now, if you're an audiophile, of course, you wouldn't like it. So, overall, I think this is a great product, and if you like to get one, you can go to Google's website and pick up one of these. It's really not that expensive. It's like $50, I think, for what you get here. I think that's a good deal. Or you can, I don't know if they're going to do this anymore, but if you subscribe to YouTube Premium, they might just randomly send you an email and give you one for free. Alright, so that's how basically I format and talk about these amazing gadgets. But if you guys have any suggestions, since this is a new series that I'm starting, you guys can just leave it down below in the comment section, and I will be sure to read them and try to incorporate what you think I should add if I think it's logical. Now, I almost stumbled on the word logical right there. We have something close to it. It's the Logitech Mx Master 3. That wasn't that good of a transition. I'm really sorry there. But yeah, the Mx Master 3 is a great mouse. I've covered this mouse in a really long review and unboxing video that I really enjoyed making, and I thought it was a great video. So if you want to check it out, check it out. And also in my desk setup video. If you guys have seen that video, you know I really praise this mouse. And I actually have it right here. Oh, I'm sorry, my computer just started by accident. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to go that much into detail. I'm really sorry. Here, let me just turn on the... Okay, that should be a better background. Now, I'm pretty sure I won't be talking too much about this mouse, despite how much... I'm really sorry. I'm going to turn this off. And then... There we go. So, as you can see, I'm not that prepared. It is the first episode, after all. I have an entire video, really long video on this. Again, if you want to check it out, check it out. This mouse overall is fantastic. I talked about all the specs there. But yeah, this definitely deserves one of the spots on the Amazing Gadgets series. Logitech has made so many amazing mouses. I've had the Logitech Mx Master 2S as well before I upgraded to this, and that was a great mouse too. But I wouldn't say it's amazing, unlike this one. This is absolutely phenomenal how the design is. It charges with USB-C and everything. Great battery life, great sensitivities. It feels great in the hand. Just overall, it's an amazing mouse. Now, finally, if you guys didn't mind, we have this. This is the Extreme Portable SSD by SanDisk. And the reason why I included an SSD in this video is because I actually use this way more than you guys might think. I use this every day across all of my computers because it does connect with USB-C. And I have it right here. And yeah, it's definitely portable. I mean, it says it right here in the box, so you would expect so. No, I'm just kidding. It's tiny. Here, let me just compare it with the size of my phone. Look at that. And the thickness as well. Look at that. It's super thin, super lightweight. Crap, I might just lost all of my stuff. Let's hope that's not the case. But yeah, actually, let's hope it is the case, because even if I broke the case for the SSD should be fine. I'm just making bad puns now. I'm really sorry. Yeah, I got the 1 terabyte configuration, and this costed me around... how much did it cost me? Oh, shoot. I really can't remember. I think it was like 150, 160 bucks. It really wasn't that much, but I did get it off of a deal, so it might be like 15% more than that, but even then, even like for $200, this is still a great SSD. It's blazing fast. It connects with USB-C. The colors, I think, is really good too. Although Apple does sell a exclusive version of this SanDisk SSD in white, completely white, for like 300 bucks, I think. It's really expensive, although I'm not sure if it came down in price. But yeah, that one, it's fantastic. If you have cash to burn, right, definitely go for it. It looks awesome. It's just imagine this, but white all around. It's super minimal. Just matches with Apple products, in my opinion. Don't waste your money. And also, the packaging is great. It's like, when you open the packaging, you think, oh, how big is it? Until you take it out, and you realize it's literally this big. Here. It's literally this big, this thin. Like, this is tiny. I can literally put this in my pocket and forget about it. Actually, would you like some better comparisons? Here. This is it compared to the AirPod Pros. Look at that. Look at that. This is the smallest SSD I've ever seen. It's probably not the smallest, though, but I haven't really seen that much SSDs. Oh, and sorry, I forgot to include the price of the Logitech Mx Master 3. This costs $99. Okay. And since I've had so many tech products, so many tech gadgets, I think nominating these 3 as the amazing gadgets should definitely be something to be honored. If you want to check out any of these products, be sure to go to the description down below. I have a link dedicated to all 3 of these products that you can click to, and it brings you directly to the buying page. Now, I do have so many more tech that I will be sure to include in the next episodes of this series. If you have any feedback, once again, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to see you next time. But before that, click something on the video. Please, just anything. Thank you. Is it clicked?